Greetings, everybody. Greetings from here. Welcome to Didi Iganes King Talk Show. How are you today? I hope you are all doing well. Bless the name of the living God, guys. Yes. I am here again. I just want to do a short video, a very short one. I want to talk about Chioma, Mama Ifeanyi, Davido's Chioma. I don't understand the way people are just going about this lady, for crying out loud. Nigerians, I don't know what this lady have done to you guys that all the time she will be the subject of discussion. All the time she will be the subject of discussion. You people will not allow this lady be to enjoy her relationship with Davido. Now the latest news now is this Davido's elder brother's white wedding in Dubai. People are saying that what Chioma wore to that wedding is not befitting for a girl of her type going out with a big celebrity like Davido. I don't just understand the way Nigerians, they will just carry somebody's business like a cup of tea. You know, when you wake up in the morning, you decide to take either tea or coffee. That is how some people will just wake up in the morning and carry people's business on their head because they don't have any other thing to do. It's just to talk about the person, subject of discussion. That's what Chioma wore to the in-laws in-laws to be a white wedding is a cheap cloth. That is a cheap cloth, like a piece of rag. Why will Davido allow Chioma to wear such a cloth to a befitting marriage like that? And my people, what is wrong with the cloth the poor lady decided to wear? Is she living her life for people? When will Nigerians learn how to mind their business? Is she living her life for people? And moreover, come to think of it, Davido and Chioma, they are living in the same house, under the same roof. So before Chioma wore that dress she wore to Davido's brother's wedding, did Davido not see the clothes? He never complained. Why is it that you people now, where BC Noble now even give the poor girl money to buy clothes to wear? Now she put on that cloth that day. You people are condemning her that look at that the cloth look on her body, that the cloth is not even good for a celebrity's a girlfriend. The cloth is cheap. That she bought the cloth from Balogun back at Bendam Boutique. This one do that one. What's it concern you now? If she bought it from Bendam Boutique, what is your business? Why will you people not allow this girl to be and enjoy her relationship, for crying out loud? Every time Chioma Davido, is she the only girl that have dated a celebrity? Is she the only person that have dated a celebrity? Why will you people not allow her be? Is it everybody that like to live a life of public? Like to live a life that a life of pretense, the way they are not? She saw that cloth, she liked it, and she bought it. And that is what she decided to put on to that wedding. And now you people are there condemning her that is a cheap cloth. That why would she wear a cloth like that? That even her skin is different from her nails. The skin color is not blended with that of her nails. That she wore the most worst outfits to that occasion. Why will you not allow this lady to be, for crying out loud? It is still you people that we are talking up and down there that she is going out with Davido, that they've been dating for over how many years? Belen never come at me and see now. Now God now can't make them now. They don't born. God don't come make una shut una mouth. At the end of the day, now God bless them with a bouncing baby boy. As if that is not enough, una carry another rumor come say papa not say, papa say. Why una no go allow this lady be? She's the one that is in the relationship. It's not you people. They say he that wears the shoes knows where it pinches. She is the one that is into that relationship. So if it is not good for her, she would have known. So why will you people not allow her to live her life? Whatever she had, let her. Oh, is it better she will go and borrow? Is that what you people want? Is that what you people want? Now, some of them are saying that Davido must have given her lots of money to buy a good dress, and she ended up buying that cheap dress. What is your business? Wetin concern una concern their life. The Davido, when he follow now wear the cloth now go in brother party now, he complain. Nigerians, make una dey learn how to mind una business. Learn how to mind your business. Remove dirty from your eyes before you remove from somebody's eyes. So many of you are looking for that opportunity to even answer boy for Davido, to even become his house help. Una dey even look for that opportunity to even become his house help, let alone to become a girlfriend, they come be say wife. Make una leave these people alone, Nigerians. Make una leave these people alone. You must not like everybody in life. It's not possible. So if you don't like those couple, if God will say that they will become a couple one day, make una leave them. They are happy the way they are. They are happy the way they are. You should allow her to be. Allow her to be. That what she want to the wedding is a cheap stuff. And she is as if she picked the cloth from Balogun Market, Bendam Boutique, do this one, do that. And so, even if she wear the pick the cloth for first class or cricket, what's in concern una? Where the right hand say, where person wear cloth of 10 million naira enter, person no go, the person when they wear cloth of 1 naira no go fit enter the place. We are in there for constitution. We are in there for constitution. Nigerians una own too much. If God just manage elevate una small thing now, go just the carry body so una don arrive. Una don arrive. Make you allow the girl be now. You should allow her be. Now she's a mother. God has blessed her now with her own child. Una go one corner now see the curse her, talk, say not be pikin, not be this one, not be do that, not be that one. She still keep quiet. She still into the relationship. She still decide to be in the relationship. You people are just looking for one way or the other to push that poor girl out. Make una leave her alone with Davido. Make una leave them. Because what God have joined together, no man should put asunder. Make una leave them alone. Nigerians una own too much. It's too much. Most of you said that are guys that are even blasting themselves. You are looking for opportunity. If it is possible for you to put your sisters there, you will do it. And those of you that are ladies, if it is possible for you people to go and jump into Davido, to even become a housemate to him, you people are ready to do it. So from there on, I go call be the poor man. Make una leave them. The guy is happy. The picture I saw, he's happy. He's happy with the girl. Make una leave them alone. Cheap cloth, oh, no cheap cloth, oh. You ain't gonna make relationship sweet. And they ask una, my country people, now ain't gonna make relationship sweet. Say cloth cheap or cloth not cheap. Now ain't gonna make relationship last. Those of you that are wearing $1 million clothes, at the end of the day now, the relationship will just crash. You people will just hear that somebody will just be married in the next 1-2 months. Relationship don't crash. Is that a relationship? You people should allow them. They are happy. With all the saga you people have been bringing to scatter these people, they still wax in love. So why will you people not allow them be? Why will you people not allow them be? Wetin concern na concern cloth which Chioma wear go Dubai. Say na cheap clothes. She tell her say she not like the cloth. Don't be she wear the cloth for her body. Now her body she take wear the cloth. Tata for them when he fool our country Nigeria. A proco people where be say they never fit clean dirty way dey their eyes. They want to clean another person own. Dirty full your eye, yo. You never fit clean them. You won't clean another person own. You there for river, soap they enter your eye. You no go take water for wash your own before you want to wash person own. Make una leave them alone. Leave them alone. Chioma and Davido, you people should leave them alone. Wicked people. You people are just looking for how to put salt inside wound. Now that they find to just, they are looking for her to just scatter that relationship. But I want to say something to you people. I don't know any of them. I'm not related to any of them, but I want to say something to you people, that what God have planned, anything God have ordained in heaven, it must settle on earth. No matter what. Oh, now cloth saga now na carry come. That you are very sure Davido must have covered good money to give to Chioma to go and buy clothes, and at the end of the day Chioma went and bought a cheap cloth to disgrace Davido. Then so that tomorrow, now when Davido now hear that, now he might go and attack Chioma, that look at what you want to my brother's marriage, my elder brother for that matter. Make una leave them. Rumor mongers, rumor go destroy una house for una. Make una leave the young people. Make una leave the young people. I know say Davido own sometimes it's not good though, because there's a picture I saw Davido holding Chioma boobs in public. Let me still use this to address, in as much that I am not in support of the way people are talking ill about you guys, you and Chioma, but let me just use this one to still tell you, Davido, I beg, they respect that young lady. If really you truly love her as you said, they respect her, because she's not the mother of your child. They respect her. How can you be holding her boobs now in public for everybody to see? That is your property. We know say na your property, but if you really want it to be your property, then you privatize it well now. Do the normal thing. Privatize it well. But even after you doing that, that does not mean that you should be holding her in places that is not good. Because one day she will become your wife. So, and you'll be flaunting her here and there. So give her that respect. It's your body, we know. But don't be holding her in places that is not good. Davido, I'm talking to you as an elder sister now. It's not good. That picture that I saw you guys at the wedding reception in Dubai, the way you take palm that your Chioma boobs, and the way you take palm her, man, I don't like him at all. I'm sorry to say this. I don't like him at all. I not go down well with me. They respect that lady. She's the mother of your child, a son for that matter, and she don't give you. So they respect her. Even if you be say you don't go do small thing for her head as introduction, until you privatize her. You know the meaning of privatize. Now it is now your own property now. You don't take her now from the parents' hand. She will not be answering the parents' son name again. Now your name now she will the answer. But even at that, even if you do that at last, that does not mean that you'll be touching her in places that is not supposed to be in public. If you want to do that, my brother Davido, they do it for inside your house, inside your bedroom, your kitchen, your toilets. Anywhere where you want to do and within the four corners of your compound, you feel do it. But not be saying you go the carry and they come media. Now me as they talk for years so. Not they carry and they come media. Not they come they touch all those kind contour. In all good. Davido, in all good, the people know they tell you, they don't like you. There's not a person will like person, and they tell and say, go clean your mouth where your mouth is smell. Or person will like person, and go tell and say, this thing where you wear come outside for public, in all good. Even if now one you get, iron and well, do and well, stretch and well. By the time you enter public, that one, say people go there, all eyes go there on you. There's not a person I go tell person. It's not good, my brother Davido. Even if everybody have known that you are going out with this girl, that does not mean that you should not be giving her respect. She's not a slut. She's not a slut. So why will you just, in the eyes of over millions of people that will be watching you, you just hold your girlfriend? That's what you say you love her, you want to marry, go out to do I do. You want to take that lady to do I do as you talk. Then you will call the palm her Bobby Benson. When God don't bless her, you go the palm her for public. Make people they see her. Oh, my brother Davido, when I see that picture, I not like him at all. In as much say I can't defend your girlfriend, so your girl, about the clothes people they talk say what she wear for that your brother marriage na cheap clothes. I not like as they take talk. In as much say I come here and I come make that video to defend your girl, I will still say the truth. They not say make because of say bitter kola, bitter, dey cure cough. Then because of say bitter kola dey cure cough, you go come dey force yourself dey chop bitter kola every time wey be say you no get need for am. Na adage I use am take talk so, Davido. Not because of say you no get need for bitter kola, say because they say bitter kola dey cure cough and you no get cough, you no get need, you no just feel like to chop bitter kola because of say dem say dey cure cough. Now you go just come dey carry bitter kola dey chop every time, dey chop every time, dey chop every time. You know wetin that thing go be. At the end of the day, you no go even fit eat something for mouth because na so your mouth go dey bitter you up and down. You no go fit taste any good food. Na so your mouth go dey bitter you. So when I see that picture, the way you take palm your girlfriend Chioma Bobby, I not like am at all. If say I be your sister, I for call you, tell you say this thing wey you do so e not good. Even if say you don't put wedding ring for the girl hand, take do I do. Now I know as I take carry come do this video so. Now make I dey speak pidgin English for una. Even if say you don't put I do for that pretty lady hand, that does not mean say you no go dey give her respect as a woman. E not good. The other time for where you dey come from, where you dey go, you just they touch the bobby, they touch the bobby. Even the girl dey shame, they come out your hand, you see they touch. E not good. E not good. Not be person wey dey do road work. E not good, my brother. Make you stop all this kind of thing. Now your property, yes, we agree. But before you go privatize and to be your own private property, you understand me? Make you dey give her respect. Even after you still don't do the private property, that does not mean say you go still they do all those kind of things. Woman go they waka for road, you go knock her for bum. You know all those kind of life not good, Davido. You be public figure, so paparazzi then they follow you up and down. And so when anything you do like this, you don't come like this for media. I'm telling you this because there's a person when they like person, I ain't go tell person something. It's not the best. Please. If Chioma no fit dey talk to you, say, my man, this thing where you dey do to me, I not like him. Because everybody gets self-esteem. If she not dey fit talk, we will dey see all these pictures soon. We will talk. Not be so they can't do am as gossip. It's not good for eye. Women, so we dey get respect for our body. Now make I can't tell you, say Davido, say I use God to beg you. May you respect this your woman. Respect am now. She is the person you said you want to take to the altar to do I do. Now she be the person you say you want to go do traditional marriage, to do traditional way. May she become the mother of your children, where God will take bless two of now. And if your children now can't grow like this, now they see picture where you hold their mama Bobby Benson, make industry for outside. It good? It's not good now. Because one day, if you go grow, I don't know that you are thinking about this. If you go, and which I know say it don't they grow. One day, if you go grow, you go turn to teenager. You and I know that. Then from teenager now, you go come turn to youth. Before you go come marry. Then when you can't see this in mama picture now, where don't fool everywhere. By that time, in mama don't they old. They see papa they touch in Bobby Benson every now and then. Papa they do bomb, they touch in bomb on they. It's not good now. The picking go they shame. You respect your wife. There is a way you can sit with your wife when you go to public. You don't need to touch her in all those contours. You know what I'm talking about, guys. All those oshiri where God don't take package for we women. You don't need to touch all those things. You sit close to your baby hot. Your baby hot go sit close to you, Bobo. Then if you want to cuddle your baby, you can cuddle her, hold her at the neck or at the shoulder. You don't need to they touch or they vex me. If I see all those your pictures, they vex me, Davido. I use God to beg you, I not just say make I come here, come insult you. I just say make I just come tell you, say all this kind of thing what you do to this poor girl, it's not good. It go they make people they look down on her. It go they make people they look down on her. Please. In as much that I have never supported those that are against that relationship, make them allow una be. That does not mean that you yourself, now you even they give people mouth, they cause this your chioma. Because of the way you they treat this girl for outside. You they treat her like this for outside, they hold up for all the contours, all the baby bouncing, all the packaging when God take bless them. How you go come dey do am for inside house if you dey do am like this and they see am as disgrace and embarrassment, Davido? That is how I just concluded it. That one is not love. That is not love at all. That is not how to portray true love. If really you love your woman as you are saying that you love her and you even name her Assurance, you will not be holding her like that in public, in the eyes of the media. When you know that you are a public figure, anywhere you go to paparazzi and they follow you with camera, you remember they can't enter toilet to come check what you they do, how your sheets be, whether your sheet they black, or be they smell, or be the one where they smell fresh food. Now you remember what paparazzi they go come do. I mean, you don't know. You should know all these things now. You should know all these things. That is what is just remaining for them now to come take camera now, come see as you and Chioma take the jingolo. Now they remain now, they can't do. I use God to beg, and if that is even possible, self, you Davido, you fit even do am, you fit even do that kind of thing. The way na to the jingolo now, you can go put am now, make everybody come see am. The latest style way na they do. It's not good though, it's not the best. Respect your woman. Respect your woman and still using this media to address every man, whether married or single. Whenever you are with your woman outside your house, know how you hold that woman. You don't need to hold all the hold on for all these kind of places where we say it's supposed to be something where they under secrets. When the day forward, we're supposed to they're going to do under dark. You don't need that. Will not mean say you not love the person. Sometimes if it could even be eye service. You can still be doing all those things, but now eye service, what no go be. But I'm not a wish you now that to people when they hear the sound of my voice. I am not saying that anybody that does that to the girlfriend, that the relationship will not be. No. But what I'm just saying is that give your wife, give your girlfriend self-respect anytime you are with that person in public. Show some respect anytime you are with that person in public. That is what I am talking about. Don't just be misbehaving because you are a man as the head of the house. No. Jesus Christ self will be even the head of the church. He respected with humans. Jesus have respect for people. Jesus have respect for people. It's not arrogant. It's not rude. The way when they talk to people self or Bible self, you could see humility, meekness in him. I beg. It's Nigerians own. You don't need too much. Make una just leave this poor girl alone. You don't too much. But if person like to wear, now he go wear. Make she go borrow. Now they want. I mean, you don't know. You don't know lot of celebrities that are living beyond their means. What they don't have. It's not all that glitters that is gold. All that glitters are not gold, my lovely people. So it is better for you to put on what you know that is your own. It fits you. You understand? Wherever you are going to. You don't live your life to impress anybody. You don't live your life for people. As much as you like whatever you are putting on, good to go. You are good to go. And if your man also accepts it that way, let it be. Kudos to Chioma. I know you must have heard that some people attacked you, people that are against you attacked you, that you wore a cheap cloth, that some of them even said that the cloth even looked like something that they bought from Araria market. some say look like cloth wey dey go pick for Bendam boutique for Badagry Express, Badagry Express Road. People wey dey ring bell ganga, make e be, make una leave her. She like am. She like am. That is why she wore it. And it fits her, the cloth, it fits her. Make una leave her alone. Make una not forget now that she's no longer a single lady. She's now a mother. She's a mother. So as she's thinking about her baby boy, she now go there. Now in short, it's her baby boy now that she's even putting first. And how to build a relationship that will lead to marriage. So make una leave her alone. Even if Davido give Chioma 10 million naira to buy a cloth of 10 million naira, it's left for her to buy whatever she likes. It's not a must that she must wear that cloth of 10 million naira. That does not mean that she cannot afford it. So you people should just let that little girl be. It's too much. In social media, Chioma. Make una leave her alone. Make una leave her alone. It's not too much. Subject of discussion, I go carry person matter for head. They drink person Panadol for a headache. Poor girl getting own headache. A relationship which they try to they still nurture. New relationship which she try to they still nurture. Una go they carry drink a Panadol for her. Where she no even call una. Una not go let her make she drink a Panadol herself. Drinking somebody's Panadol for somebody's headache. Which PhD degree now una don't get now or emeritus una don't get now for this Chioma saga since ever since this poor girl get belle. Now una don't the attack her. Ever since when she get belle, now una don't the attack her. Say na lie, she will not be belle she get. She fake the belle. God come bless her now. The belle come, poor girl, she kept the pregnancy from media. It was after her delivery, she started posting. Una still talk. Say the pikin hair resemble another person own. Not sure saying that Davido get her. Maybe they go do DNA. Let me ask a question. Do you think DNA is Davido's problem? DNA is not Davido's problem. Davido can afford DNA times how many times the most expensive hospital, if the need be. Anywhere where you now talk to make them carry them go. Make Davido come, make them collect the baby saliva, collect Davido own too. Make them go check for even for the most expensive hospital. That young man can afford it. So what they make now they drink Panadol for his headache? What it not concern him now? My lovely people, as now they hear this my story. So why will they not allow this young man to be and enjoy his relationship with this girl? Or is it because she's from another tribe? That is why they are doing all these things to her? Is it a crime now to fall in love with another tribe? Are you telling me now that Adi Bin Davido is an ordinary boy? An ordinary street boy that fell in love with an ordinary street girl from another tribe. Now for they use their name, they sing this reggae and blues where they for internet so today. And they ask una question, how una answer me una where they look me? Una for they use their name, they sing this reggae and blues where they reign. It's not because of Davido is made. He now went and picked a poor girl that is nobody. Now, and from the nobody now, she's from another background, another tribe, another everything that is not related to Davido. When it comes to wealth, Chioma people not get like that. Even if God bless them with small. Is that why you people are always meddling in these people's affairs? You people don't want, I want them to be. We don't want me to take drink water, me then keep empty cup for ground. If they drink water, keep the empty cup for ground. Now go use Bluetooth, infrared, Zenda to go check within Chioma drink keep for the cup to know whether na coffee, tea or water. I been a Fanta, Coke, or the way people just want to know the liquid that she drank from that cup. Why? Why, my country people? Why is it like this? Person will know, I don't know why this our black skin like that. People want to not better pass. Want to not better rich. When you for now future generation self, times how many to come. God not know, nobody know the time when I go even take reach that person slippers. Let to reach the kind of shoe where the person they wear. Now go they like to proclose on her nose. They put. To bring the person down. It can never work now. They say we think God don't already sign for heaven. You know, when you give somebody check, they don't sign the check, and if the check, where we say actually they go catch that check, money there that place where they go, it can never bounce. God has any relationship with God don't ordain for heaven, put down signature, bam. No matter what people do, that relationship can never crumble. So I'm not gonna leave Chioma and Davido alone. So that is the story I said, let me just come and share with you guys, because it's getting out of hand. Leave them alone. If God said that the two of them will become man and wife, and Chioma will be the mother of Davido's unborn children, wish them good luck. Wish people good luck, so that good luck will come to you in return. Because when you wish people saga evil, now so it go there before you. So wish people good luck, so that good luck too go come back to you. So my lovely people, I'm ending this video. It's just a short one about the way people are just condemning Chioma about of the cloth she wore to Davido's elder brother's wedding in Dubai the other time. That is a cheap cloth and all that. So I've been speaking in pidgin, but now I want to speak in English for those of you that don't understand pidgin to get what I'm talking about. So he's a big time Nigeria celebrity. His name is Davido, popular guy. The girlfriend who he has proposed to marry, called Chioma, they said she wore a very cheap cloth to Davido's elder brother's marriage that just they just had few weeks ago. You understand? So people should just allow them to be. That's what I just said. Let me just come and drop. Thank you guys. I beg to leave. It's a short one. If you have not subscribed to Didi Igales King Talk Show, I don't still know what you are waiting for. But for those of you that have done it genuinely to me, I say thank you very much. Our good God will continue to bless you guys. And don't forget to hit the like button of this video whenever you come across it. Thank you guys. Take care and God bless. See you in my next video, God willing. I still remain your Didi Igales King. Goodbye.